Hi there, Michael Williamson here. Did you know that 68% of B2B technology companies waste money when growing their sales teams? Well, I've seen it happen far too many times, but today I'm going to show you how to do it right. And after 30 years in technology and helping hundreds of companies grow, I've learned that scaling sales isn't about throwing money at the problem. It's about being smart with what you've got. So let's talk about the challenge you're facing at the moment, or could be facing at the moment. Your company needs to grow. You need more sales, but hiring loads of salespeople is expensive and risky. And here's what I see happening anyway. Companies are hiring too fast. They don't train properly. Tools aren't really working together. Money gets wasted as a result, and because of that, results really disappoint. But it really doesn't have to be like that. So to do it right, my view anyway, is first let's look at what not to do. Don't hire loads of people at once. Don't buy loads of expensive tools you don't need. Don't copy what big companies do, and don't ignore your current team, and don't rush the process. So instead, my recommendation is, number one, start with what you've got. Train your current team better, fix broken processes, use simple tools well, and make each person more effective. Then move on to using technology more wisely. Get a really good CRM, use sales automation, track everything, and keep it simple. Then move on to hiring smart, but do it one person at a time. Test them properly, train them well, set clear goals to build them and set them up for success. Then move on to building a sales system. Write down what works, make it easy to follow, test and improve it, and share success stories. And let me tell you a real story just to demonstrate this. We worked with a technology company last year. They needed to double sales, but they couldn't spend much money. And here's what we did. Step one, we fixed with them their broken processes. We found what worked, wrote it down, made it better, trained everyone. Step two, we use simple tools, a free CRM, email automation, LinkedIn and phone calls. Step three, we trained their team, weekly coaching, role playing, sharing wins and learning from losses. And then step four, we help them to hire very, very carefully, one new person at a time, train them well, match them with mentors, and then set and directed clear targets. And the results were that sales are up 127%, costs up only 34%, each person sold more, the team stayed happy, and here's why it worked. They went slow, fixed problems first, hired carefully, trained properly, measured everything. They also used tools very well, simple systems, good training, clear processes, and then regular check-ins. They also built their culture properly, shared their learning, helped each other and celebrated wins, fixed problems. So here's some of the things that I would encourage you to remember. Number one, fix before you grow. Secondly, use simple tools well. Thirdly, train more than you think you might need to train. Fourth, hire slowly. 5, measure everything. So let me give you the exact steps to take. First month, fix your sales processes. Train your current team. Get a simple CRM, nothing complex. Track everything. In your second month, make your best people better. Write down what works. Test some new tools. Plan your hiring. The following month, hire one new person, train them properly, watch them closely, help them succeed to set them up for success, and then repeat. But it's only if it's working. So if you're ready to grow your sales team, why not share your biggest challenge with scaling sales in the comments below? What's holding you back? I read and reply to every comment personally. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips on growing your technology business. And if you want to know exactly how to scale your sales team, well, just click the link in my bio for a free strategic growth assessment. We'll look at your team, your processes, and show you exactly how to grow without wasting lots of money. And remember, scaling sales isn't about spending more, it's about spending smart. So thanks ever so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks and God bless.